All right. Bienvenidos otra vez. We're going to look at it again another way. So, los adjetivos posesivos is how you say it in Spanish, possessive adjectives. It goes along with Unidad 3, Lección 2. Okay, so we have learned to use the verb ser plus the word de for possession, right? It is a longer way of saying it, but quite literally means the same thing. Los libros son de Ana. The books are of Anna, right? El gato es de mi madre. There are shorter ways to say it. And that's what possessive adjectives are. They're shorter ways. So possessive adjectives show who owns something. My book, mi libro. The long way you would say it is el libro de mí, right? It's a much longer way. Your pizza, tu pizza, or you could say la pizza de ti, pizza of yours, right? Instead, we can just make it shorter, and using the possessive adjectives, they go in front of the noun that's being possessed. So you have mi libro and tu libro. Here you'll see on the verb chart minus the actual verb chart. You have to imagine it, but we choose which one based on the following chart. So it's the exact same chart that you always know. The left-hand side is for one person, singular owners, and the right is for plural possessors, owners. All right, so you have me for my, me or me's. For yours to a friend, right, or a friend, you say to a friend, would be tu or tus. So an example of this one is ¿Cuál es tu número de teléfono? What is your phone number? All right, notice it does not have the accent mark. His or hers is su, make it plural, it becomes sus, and then your formal is also the su or sus. Okay, over on the right-hand side, the plural, our, it's the nosotros form, right? But instead, we say nuestro or nuestra. It can also be plural, nuestros or nuestras. This form is the vosotros form, and we have only in Spain, of course, vuestro, vuestra, vuestros, vuestras. All right, so there is a bunch of people, right? His or hers or group, a mixture. In this case, it would be su or sus. This could also be the you guys, all y'all. All y'all, you have all this. Everyone has this homework. All right, again, this is a short form for using possessive adjectives. All possessive adjectives change from singular to plural if the thing that is possessed is plural, possessed. So libro is singular, right? And this on the left-hand side, mi libro, singular noun, singular thing, right? But if we make it plural, they both become plural, including the possessive adjectives. So mis libros is just like an adjective in Spanish where it has to agree. Nuestro and vuestro also change depending on the gender of the thing possessed. It's the only one that does this, or the only two, I guess. We don't use vuestro much, right? In Latin America, we only use nuestro. So here we have abuelo is singular, grandpa, and our grandpa is nuestro abuelo. If we're talking about a female, so now we're talking about grandma, it would be nuestra abuela. We could make these plural as well. We could say nuestros abuelos to talk about both grandparents, or if we wanted to just talk about female grandparents, we could say nuestras abuelas. So here practicamos. Go ahead and pause it for a moment and then figure out what these would be in Spanish. So I will read them. Go ahead and write them down though. My family, his sisters, our uncles, their pizza, my French fries, your formal, backpack, their sister, her grandma, your informal stepfather, and our mothers. Remember, if the thing that you have that you're talking about is singular, then your possessive adjective will be singular, no matter what the S on the end makes it plural. Right? So go ahead and pause it to figure this out on your own. All right, here we'll take a look at las respuestas, the answers. So my family, mi familia, your siblings or your sisters, sus hermanas, our aunts and uncles, there should be an accent mark on that, nuestros tíos, his or her pizza, su pizza, it's only one pizza, and my French fries, mis papas fritas, their backpack, su mochila, vuestra hermana, su abuela, as her grandma, tu padrastro is your stepfather. And then plural, nuestras madres. Be careful because you need to know what the noun means because that will tell you the gender. All right, we'll look at one more quick explanation.